Here is the dirty truth most drivers don't want to face. Your car won't miss the 200,000 mile mark because it's unreliable or old. It's going to miss it because it is being killed. And in most cases, the killer is you. Every time you turn that key, tap the brakes, or even choose a gas pump, you could be unknowingly shaving thousands of miles off your engine's life. Today, we are ditching the sugar coating. We are looking at this through the eyes of a master mechanic to uncover the hidden habits that are silently wrecking your ride and draining your bank account. Let's start with the first moment of your day, the cold start. There is a massive myth that you need to idle your car for 10 minutes to warm it up. That is outdated advice from the carburetor era. But the opposite approach is even more dangerous, starting the engine and immediately hammering the gas. Here is the mechanical reality. When your car sits overnight, gravity pulls the oil down into the oil pan. Upon startup, the oil pump needs a few seconds to build pressure and circulate lubrication to the top of the engine. The golden rule? Wait just 15 to 30 seconds for the RPMs to drop and stabilize. Then drive gently. Driving warms up the engine faster and safer than idling. But whatever you do, do not rev a cold engine. That is metal-on-metal friction, and you are literally shaving years off your internal components. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of your car, the fluids. Oil is not just oil. Using the wrong viscosity is a death sentence for modern engines. Do not listen to the guy who tells you to use thicker oil just because your car has high mileage. Modern engines with tight tolerances, variable valve timing, and turbos require the exact flow rate specified in your manual. Thicker oil won't flow fast enough to protect them. And while we are under the hood, let's address a common killer: tap water in the radiator. Never, under any circumstance, pour tap water into your cooling system. Tap water is full of minerals that cause electrolysis and rust, eating away your head gasket and water pump from the inside out. Always use the specific coolant color and type your manufacturer recommends, and never mix them. Mixing incompatible coolants can turn the fluid into a gel that blocks your engine block, leading to catastrophic overheating. Next, let's look at your feet. Are you a brake ratter? If you rest your foot on the brake pedal while driving, you aren't just wearing out pads. You are generating constant heat. This glazes the pads and, worse, warps your rotors. In extreme cases, you can boil the brake fluid, leading to total brake failure when you need it most. Learn to use engine braking on long downhills, and keep your foot on the floor when you aren't stopping. And for the manual transmission drivers, stop using the shifter as an armrest. The weight of your hand puts pressure on the shift forks and synchronizers, grinding them down silently while you drive. Then there is the fuel tank. Driving on E isn't just a risk of getting stranded, it's a risk of destroying your fuel pump. The fuel pump lives inside the gas tank, and it uses the gasoline itself to stay cool. When you constantly run on fumes, the pump overheats. Plus, it starts sucking up the concentrated sediment and sludge sitting at the bottom of the tank. Treat a quarter tank as if it is empty. We also need to talk about what carries the load: your tires and suspension. Overloading your vehicle past its payload capacity destroys your suspension struts and strains the transmission. But the most common neglect is tire pressure. Don't rely solely on the dashboard light. A tire can be dangerously low or overinflated before that sensor triggers. Incorrect pressure causes uneven wear, blowouts, and poor handling. Check them manually once a month. Finally, let's touch on a mistake that happens in the shop: over-tightening lug nuts. If you or your mechanic are just blasting the lug nuts on with an impact gun to maximum power, you are doing damage. Over-torquing warps the brake rotors and stretches the wheel studs, leading to vibrations and potential wheel failure. Always insist on using a torque wrench to the factory specification. Listen, your car talks to you. That slight hesitation, that faint squeak, that sweet smell of coolant, those are cries for help. Ignoring a $100 noise today often turns into a $2,000 disaster next month. Modern cars are engineering marvels that can last for decades, but only if you respect the machine. Stop these habits today, and your engine will return the favor.